If you want to pay in Epic Games with a debit card, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can complete your purchase quickly and safely. Whether you're using the Epic Games launcher or the Epic Games website, the checkout process is very straightforward once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. First, open either the Epic Games launcher on your computer or go to the Epic Games website in your browser. Once you're inside, head over to the store section. This is where you'll find the game or item you want to buy. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct product before moving forward. After you find the game or item, click Get. In some cases, this may appear as a purchase or checkout button depending on what you're buying, but the goal is the same. Move to the payment screen. Once you click that, Epic Games will bring up the payment options available for your region and account. Now look for debit card as your payment method and select it. This tells Epic Games that you want to pay directly with your card instead of another method like a digital wallet or gift card. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the correct checkout screen and that the item you're buying supports card payments. Next, you'll need to enter your debit card details carefully. This usually includes your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV security code on the back of the card. Make sure every number is typed correctly because even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. It's also a good idea to double check the billing information if Epic Games asks for it. Once everything is filled out, click confirm or pay to finish the transaction. At that point, Epic Games will process the payment and, if successful, your purchase should be completed right away. You may see a confirmation screen and the game or item should begin downloading or appear in your library, depending on what you bought. If the payment doesn't go through, don't worry. Double check your card number, expiry date, CVV, and available balance. Also make sure your bank isn't blocking the transaction, since some debit cards require online purchases to be enabled. If needed, you can try again or contact your bank for approval. And that's it. You've now learned how to pay in Epic Games with a debit card using either the launcher or the website. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and it only takes a few minutes from start to finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Epic Games guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.